Good morning friends. In this video you are going to learn how to conduct online test and how to send e-certificate automatically if student pass the exam. Now we will see step by step procedure how to conduct online test, how to enable online test form. Go for a Google Drive. Here Google Apps is there. You can see a 9 dots. Click that, Drive will open. You go for a Google Drive. Then go for a new, then go for a more, then open a Google Forms. Now Google Forms will open like this. This is not the exam form, this is just Google Form. We have to enable the exam. Go for 3 dots here. You can able to see the 3 dots. Click the 3 dots. You see last app, one icon will be there. That icon name is called add-ons. You click the add-ons. It will open the page like this. Here you can type Certify-M. You can able to see Certify-M. Click this. Install this, because already I installed in my system. It will show installed. For your side it will not show installed. You try to install it. Click it. It will go for installation procedure. You just install it. It will come here. You can able to install it. After installed Certify-M, the icon will display here. You can able to see the icon. The icon will display here. Click this icon. See the third option, Certify-M will be there. Click the Certify-M. It will ask that enable Certify in the case. Now you are going to open online test form. That means that you are going to open a form. You are going to conduct test in online. Enable it. It will working. You can able to see working. Now get started. You can see here Certify-M is now enabled for using in the quiz. It will open like this. Please wait for few seconds. It will open. You can able to see the Certify-M is open now here. This is the form. This is the table. You have to send certificate automatically here if student pass the exam. You can see the first status. Certify is off here. First enable Certify is on. You just make it turn on. Please wait. Now Certify-M is on now. So next the records will automatically saved in your Google Drive. It will make an Excel. Now see the next one, the pass percentage is there. You can set the student pass percentage. If student can get 80%, students will get a certificate. If students get 60%, students can get certificate automatically. It's up to your wish. You can set your own percentage for enabling the certificate. Student can pass. You can fix the percentage of students who can pass, who cannot fail. If you set 60%, I will explain the next step how to enable the multiple choice question, how to enable the fill in the blanks, how to upload that image file or PDF file or video file. I'll explain it. Now this was the passing percentage. You have to keep the percentage by yourself. Next you can see the number of templates available here. Some number of templates available. You can select any one template, or else we have to create one image file as our own certificate we have to create, then we have to upload. That also I will show. Let us think that I have create one sample template. I am taken here golden. You may see here email me sample. If we click this email me a sample, you can see here. Now you can see here a sample certificate has been emailed to you. You can check your email now. Certificate has been received. Sample certificate has been received here. You can able to see it. You see here is the name, exam name goes for here, date with the passing score of 90%. Now you can type your exam the exam name. That means what test you are going to conduct. Exam, I am keeping here digital communication. Just copy it and double click here. The same exam will come here. Email ID default you fix it. First name, full name, other identifier something else there. You delete the other identifier, no need. This was the enabled test. What is the color of sky? It is the fixed. They given the color of sky. If you want, you can change, no problem. Whatever the question you can never fix this. Let us think that I am deleting this. I am giving one more question. For every question, you try to make a required. It's mandatory. Try to make a required. Now I am making one question. What is the value of 5 plus 5? I am making that. What is the value of 5 plus 5? You can able to select the multiple choice, or you make it the You can make it as a fill in the blanks also. I will show that option. You can able to select the fill in the blanks also. This was the option, the 3 options I given. You know the answer already because you are only setting the question paper here. You know the what is the value for 5 plus 5. Let us think that in answer key you press it, you go for answer key here, answer is 10. We know that 5 plus 5 is 10. It's only faculty will know that the answer. Student cannot know it because you have to work out, you have to post the answer here. You can see here the points. You can select any points. You may select a 2 marks or you may select 13 marks, you may select 15 marks. Based on that you set a points there. I am setting it's a 2 points for this question. You check it once now. Now this was, so I am sending the same certificate once again. You may see it now, the variation of the certificates. Email me, I am sending. After email me, you can see that a sample certificate has been emailed to you. You can check the email once again. Certificate has been received. You can see the name, Digital Communication. The exam name is Digital Communication. Date is 7/3 with the passing score of 90%. How this certificate will come, let me to explain. Every time ensure that there should be required. I repeat once again, answers key you must be posted here, then only it will take automatically correct answer if students posted. Else it will not consider that point. So if you want to upload a file or image, something else, the plus button is there, add a question. You go for add a question there. Here multiple choice, instead of multiple choice you go for a file upload, click a file upload, go for a continue. It will ask like this, allow only a specific file types, click this. Here you can select if you student need to send a document as a PDF doc or Word document or a image, something else, you just require it and then automatically it will select. Here you should not select any for answer because this Google form, if you upload as a PDF, upload as a document, upload as a image, it will not check the answers. I verified already, it will not check any answers. If you are designing certificate by your own, you have to go for custom template. That I'll explain how to design your own certificate. If already designed certificate, I will show how to get that marks and all. Here you may check it once. Let us think that you go for once again Google Drive. Here you go for a new. Here you go for a Google Slides. For a Google Slides, it will come for new window here. Here you go for insert image, upload from computer. If you want, you can design. See here, so many themes are there. Based on the themes, you can able to design by your own certificate. Before upload it, go for a layout, go for a blank, then insert a image, upload from a computer. Already have one image certificate here, mathematics. I'm taking this. Now certificate has been comes here. Here I am going to explain the syntax, how to get our name and how to get the pass percentage. Text box, you click it, just drag somewhere else here. Here, if it is, ensure that correctly you are placing it. 2 flower brackets open, don't give any space, type full name, close the 2 flower brackets. That means that this is a syntax, you will get your name. What? Because in the first question, in Google form, I given the first is a full name. As it is, you type here and certificate. Next I need with a passing certificate. You can able to see here, has successfully complete online test of partial differential equation with a consolidated score of, I need to show the percentage here. Here also same, 2 flower brackets open, the syntax is percent. I am repeatedly saying that for getting the score, 2 flower brackets open, don't give any spaces, percent, close the flower bracket. Then save the image as any one of the name. I am saving with RMK EC. Now you can close the Google Drive, that means Google Slides, then go for Certify-M, go for using as a custom template, click the custom template. It will ask set up your own certificate, select a new file. Whatever certificate you saved in a Google Slides, the certificate will open automatically here. After selecting that file, go for a save changes. You can see the name, I am given RMK EC there. Now the certificate will come here, RMK EC. This was the certificate what I designed for RMK EC here. I will show that how the certificate will come also once in a live, you can able to see it now. Next, if you go for advanced settings, the next window open will like this. Here, After that, the window will open like this. You can give exam options. That means that thank you for submission. If you pass, you will receive printable certificate shortly. What are the message you can able to take it? Here also name of the sender, your name, subject of the email, digital communication, content of the body. Take anything else, no problem. Then you can able to select the options. Certificate has to send in the form of PDF or image. You can select any option here. After set up all parameters, you copy this link, you send it to your mail or WhatsApp. I am sending to my mail only. To send it, the certificate will send. After send the link to your mail ID, I am filling that online test now. You can see that you will receive a certificate. Please ensure that email address, correct email address, the same email address only you will receive a certificate. Type your name exactly, the same name will display in your certificate. I know that what is the value of 5 plus 5 is 10. I am giving here. So let us think that I am given this option. So I am uploading. After fill this form, make a submit. After submit, you can able to see here, thank you for submission. If you pass, you will receive a printable certificate. After fill the form, you can able to see that certificate received your mail ID automatically. Now I will show the certificate with my name and passing score. You can see now certificate with P. Gunashekhar, passing score of 100%, because I said I given only one question. That question is nothing but 5 plus 5 is 10. I given 2 points. What are the points you take, and that the question is correct, it will consider as a 100%. Because I selected certificate in the form of PDF file, I received a certificate in the form of PDF. Thank you. Any queries? Queries must be given to comment box. Thank you.